Introducing Active Skin Repair, an all-natural, non-toxic medical-grade spray that harnesses the power of the body's immune system. Active Skin Repair works on hundreds of skin issues, such as minor injuries from cuts and burns to everyday issues like rashes, sunburns, and even bug bites. It's so powerful it's used in hospitals, yet safe enough to use on all areas of the body. And best of all, since Active Skin Repair can be used to help multiple types of skin issues, you can replace the need for other products, saving you time, space, and money. The active ingredient is the same molecule organically produced by the human body to promote healing, so when you use Active Skin Repair, you recreate the body's natural healing mechanism for your skin. Active Skin Repair has won multiple awards, is accepted by the National Eczema Association, and recommended by doctors, pediatricians, and dermatologists around the world. With more than 500,000 bottles sold and over 2,000 5-star reviews, it's the clinically proven way to help your body quickly and naturally heal itself. So whether you're hiking, biking, or hitting up the playground, simply grab your Active Skin Repair spray and go.
I wanted to tell you about a new product I just discovered. It's called Active Skin Repair. Oh my God, this stuff really works. If you have any types of minor cuts, abrasions, skin irritants, you have got to give this stuff a try. It's basically just salt and water with one amazing active ingredient called hypochlorous acid. So when you use Active Skin Repair, it's just recreating your body's natural healing mechanism for its skin. It's hypoallergenic, non-toxic, FDA cleared. You could use it on your face. You can even use it on pets. Active Skin Repair is like 6 products in one. You just throw it in your bag, purse, whatever, and you're good to go. This is a must-have, especially if you have kids, and I can't recommend it enough.
This stuff works like crazy. If you have any minor cuts, abrasions, irritations, chafing, rashes, sunburn, you need to try Active Skin Repair. This stuff is just incredible. It's basically just salt and water, but with one amazing active ingredient called hypochlorous acid. White blood cells produce hypochlorous acid to promote healing in the body. So when you use Active Skin Repair, you actually recreate your body's natural healing mechanism for your skin. It's hypoallergenic, non-toxic, made in America, medical grade, FDA cleared, clinically proven, safe for all ages, doctor recommended, endorsed by the National Eczema Association, and on and on. Honestly, this stuff is just so impressive. You just spray it on your skin, you let it do its thing. It's even safe to use around your mouth and your eyes, and even for pets. You just throw it in your bag, your purse, whatever, and you're good to go.